I'm here at St. Thomas, at Branston to be exact. We have a case of triple fatal shooting, which really started at an area they call Poor Man's Corner in St. Thomas. The information at hand is that a businessman went to his premises this morning about 4, where he observed a vehicle parked close to the business facility, pretty unusual, and so he proceeded to check out what was happening. On his approach, he was fired on by men entering that vehicle coming from his business facility. He returned fire and alerted the police. The police team was very quick on the scene. He went into the business place because he observed that the grill was torn apart. When he entered, he was attacked by a man with machete. Apparently, he was left on the inside and he had to take steps to defend himself. The police was quick on the scene, got the description and details of the vehicle, and they pursued that vehicle into the Grand Spend community. When they entered the Grand Spend community, they saw a group of men. 2 vehicles were parked along the roadway. They fired at the police. The police team took evasive action, returned fire. At the end of that shooting, 2 men were found suffering from gunshot wound. A 9mm pistol with 1 magazine and 5 live rounds was taken from that scene. Those men were rushed to the hospital where they were later pronounced dead. These men seems not to be from this area. What we're picking up, they might be from the Kingston Western Division, and so they are not familiar with the area.
We are glad for the police and thumbs up to the police, because so many times these things have been happening in and around the communities. And the thing is, if it has never happened like how it happened now, there will be persons or youth in the community who would have been getting blamed for all these things. So thumbs up to the police 100%. And I hope they keep it up same way. As they get a call, they respond to the call. Because that is the best thing for the community, because sometimes innocent persons go to jail for what they don't know about.